So this question wants us to plot accurately because they've given us a scale here, so we need to make sure we've got all the equipment we need. It's about shading regions, so we're looking for key information, so it's a kind of a loci question, path of objects, so we need compasses and ruler, and the scale says 1 centimetre to 1 metre, so for the first bit 5 metres from the point C, so 5 metres is equivalent to 5 centimetres. So we get our ruler, put our compasses open at 5 centimetres, and it's from the point C, so hold our compasses really carefully to keep the accuracy. So that'll be our C bit, done that, so tick each bit as you do it. Nearer to AB than to AD, so AB is a line like that, AD is a line like that. That creates an angle, so ABD, so therefore we need an angle bisector. Because we want to be nearer to one point than another, we need to know the halfway point, so it's called the angle bisector. Now to draw an angle bisector, we open our compasses up any sensible distance. Now because the two lines meet at A, that's where the angle is created between the two lines, so we put our compass on A and we just draw two arcs, parts of circles that cross the two lines, then move our compasses to those intersection points and draw an arc. Oh, I didn't quite cross over, so we go back. Right, so where the two arcs intersected, then we get our ruler and we draw all the way across the garden because we're not sure where we want to be. So we know then that that is all nearer to AB and this is all nearer to AD. And the last part says we want to be less than 3 metres from DC. So 3 metres is equivalent to 3 centimetres. So this is about one line. And when you've got a line DC, then we need the parallel line to it, because that will always be 3 metres. So to do that we can quickly plot 3 centimetres at several points from the line, so we can line our ruler up to draw a parallel line to it. Okay, again this is about accuracy, so we take care. Our ruler lined up. Okay, so that's our methods. So should get 3 marks for getting the correct drawing parts. And now we just got to go through and shade the region that they actually want. So for the final mark, so at least 5 metres from point C. So that means we need to be over here somewhere, because anything this side is less than 5 metres, so we need to be over here somewhere. Nearer to AB, so we need to be this side of the line, and less than 3 metres from DC, so that means we need to be over here somewhere. So basically they're asking us to shade this bit here. Okay, so all of that's less than 3 metres, nearer to AB, and more than 5 metres. So that's an example of a loci question and shading regions.